Folks, before we start, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notify button for the weekly uploads that I do. Much appreciated. Hey, this is Andrew Lim inviting you to go out on a limb. So we are at Salton Sea, which is a lake close to the Mexican border, south of Palm Springs. It's about a 45-minute drive from Palm Springs. This lake has, the salt level is higher than the normal sea level. It's about double that, but of course, it's about, I would say, 1/5 of the Dead Sea, which is extremely salty. But here, I think, the view is rather spectacular at first glance. But when you're here, has a really strong sulfuric stench, I would say. So it's not too pleasant standing here for a long time. But if you're around this area, come check it out. It's called Salton Lake. Just don't make a trip for it here deliberately, because I don't think it's that worth it, to be honest with you. So we're at a place called Bombay Beach Estate, not too far from the Salton Lake. I think it's a deserted neighborhood that's turned artsy. So we just stumbled upon, we were at Salton Lake, which was kind of disappointing, but we ended up here, which is called the Bombay Beach. Used to be an apocalyptic wasteland. Actually, it does look like an apocalyptic wasteland, but somehow it got turned into an art hub, which is kind of cool. I mean, like this piece of airplane behind me. It's interesting. So we're just gonna walk around, come check out this area with me. Bye.